negative thinking has become a constant presence in your life, slowly wreaking havoc on your inner self. Thoughts like, "What will people say?" and "I will never be able to do this," have consumed your mind. You've convinced yourself that you are not capable, that you're just unlucky, and these beliefs have taken a stronghold within you. But let me tell you something. This negative thinking is a destructive force. It demotivates you before you even have a chance to do anything worthwhile. It makes you believe that you are unworthy of achieving anything in this world. And the worst part, it has the power to prevent you from even trying. You see, many individuals in this world who have never tasted success are trapped in the illusion of these negative thoughts. But you, my friend, you have the power to break free from this illusion and achieve your goals. You possess an inner strength that can conquer any obstacle. Don't ever forget that. If your mother constantly feeds you these negative thoughts without your consent, it's time to take control. You cannot allow her words to dictate your path to success. Instead, show her that you have the ability to rise above these limitations. Being in control of your own life starts with conquering the negativity within your circle, and it begins with your mother. Take a moment to reflect on the bigger picture. Moments of hardship and challenges are what make us stronger, what make us shine. No one reaches their peak without facing their fair share of difficulties, contrary to what you may believe. It is wrong to assume that success comes effortlessly to those who never face adversity. The battles fought against these negative thoughts are what shape our character and pave the way to victory. Now, let's address the broader spectrum of negativity. It's not just about what you think internally. There may be individuals around you who try to fill your mind with falsehoods and negativity. Surrounding yourself with such individuals is detrimental to your progress. Cut ties with those who aim to steer you away from your goals. They have no place in your life. Instead, embrace positivity. Surround yourself with people who uplift you, inspire you, and motivate you to reach new heights. Seek out individuals who bring out the best in you and encourage your success. Positive company breeds positive actions. Remember, my friend, you are in control of your thoughts, your actions,
and ultimately, your destiny.
Don't let negative thinking hold you back any longer. Break free from its chains and pave your own path to success. Focus on your goals and let nothing stand in your way. It's time to rewrite the narrative.
Empower yourself.
And embrace the positivity that will propel you to greatness. Are you ready to transform your life? It starts with something as simple as reading good books. Every day you have trusted your mother's wisdom, and now it's time to take control of your thoughts. Those negative thoughts that cloud your mind, it's time to keep an eye on them. They might be holding you back, but with determination, they will fade away. Remember, these thoughts have no power over you. They won't define your thinking or hinder your progress. If reading isn't your thing, don't worry. You can still reach your goals with a positive mindset. Let go of negativity and embrace the power of positive thinking. Together we can fill your life with energy, direction, and inspiration. Stay tuned for our next video, where we will continue to uplift your spirits and guide you towards the right path. Keep listening to your mother's voice, for she has always been there for you. If you find this story impactful, help us spread it to others. Like this video and subscribe to our channel for more uplifting content. We appreciate your support. Remember, be patient and grateful as you navigate through life. Keep moving forward, knowing that you have the strength to overcome any obstacle. See you next time with another inspiring story. Let's continue this incredible journey together.